In this video, you'll learn how to log into the Bitget wallet app. This process involves several steps to verify your identity and access your account securely. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Bitget exchange website. You can do this by entering the URL into the address bar, which will take you to the main page of the platform. Once the page loads, you will see various options for trading and managing your crypto assets. Next, locate the login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the login page, where you will be prompted to enter your email or mobile number. Once you are on the login screen, select the option labeled email/mobile. This will allow you to input your email address associated with your account. Make sure to enter your email accurately to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click on the appropriate option to proceed. The system will prompt you to click next. This action will lead you to a verification process to ensure the security of your account. At this point, you will need to complete a reCAPTCHA challenge. This step ensures that you are a human user and not an automated bot. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish this verification. Once you've completed the reCAPTCHA, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that you can proceed. Click on Next again to move forward in the process. Now you will see a message asking you to verify your password. Enter your password in the designated field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, as any mistakes will prevent access to your account. After you have typed in your password, click on Next to continue. The system may require you to complete another reCAPTCHA to further validate your identity. Following the second reCAPTCHA, a message regarding security verification will appear. This step is crucial for protecting your account. Click on Get Code to receive a verification code sent to your registered email address. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your email service such as Gmail. Once there, locate the email from Bitget containing your verification code. Open the email to view the code. Copy the verification code from the email. It is important to ensure that you have the correct code, as it will be required for the next step. Return to the Bitget login page. Paste the verification code into the appropriate field. This step verifies your identity and allows you to proceed with logging in. Finally, click on Confirm to complete the login process. If everything has been entered correctly, you will be granted access to your Bitget wallet app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.